Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, there's a lot of comments in my previous videos about how I get rid of my mole, and it's been 3 months since I got my mole. So this is what I look like right now without the mole. And the redness over here, that's from putting contact lenses. I'm not good at it yet. So anyway, I'm going to be answering some questions that's been asked in my video. So isa-isahin ko siya, and I think there's 20 questions over here that I'm going to answer, like basic questions that you guys need to know before you put Kasoy remover on your face. So all these questions, yan din yung mga sinesearch ko before ako nag-proceed na maglagay ng mole remover sa face ko. So anyway, the first question is, araw-araw nyo ba nilalagay? So no, it's not every day that I had to put Kasoy cream. First application is 20 minutes. Ibabad mo siya ng 20 minutes. And then, go ahead and put the second time, which is 15 minutes na lang. So, lang. Tapos, after that, it's only in 1 day talaga. You just have to follow the steps. And then, after that, you just have to wait until matanggal na talaga siya. Next question is, pwede po ba ito sa patay na nunal? So, I have no idea kung ano yung patay na nunal looks like, but di patay yung sa akin. So, I don't know, I think you just need to do more research about it. Yung nunal ko, sinesearch ko talaga sa Google just in case na hindi cancerous yung sa akin. So, you have to do the same thing, or you can go to a dermatologist. Next question is, nagpa-derma ka po ba ate? So, no, I didn't, kasi I think it's gonna be expensive. Ever nagpunta ako sa derma, obviously they're going to recommend me na sila na lang yung mag-laser, and I don't want laser. So that's the reason why I bought cheap stuff, and it worked for me. So no, but you should if you are scared or you're worried about what's gonna happen. I check nila if cancerous pa yung mole, because may cancerous pala. I didn't know that, but it's cheaper this way. Another question is, magkano po yan ngayon 2023? So I checked last night, I think it was only 114, not including shipping yet. So sa akin, maliit lang yung nakuha ko, so I share it with my friends, and my friends share it to everyone else. So tipid talaga siya, guys. So next question, naglagay po ako kagabi, mas nagtubig siya, di rin masyado mahapdi, takot ako baka ma-infect. Pabayaan ko na lang maalis, betadine muna for cleaning. After 2 weeks, assess ko na lang kung gawin ko ulit, pabayaan na lang. So, para sa akin ba, kay naglagay talaga ako ng exact amount, I covered my mole. Sa akin, hindi siya nagtubig. Hindi siya nagtubig talaga. So, I'm lucky, I guess. I don't know if it's normal to some people, but sa akin, hindi siya nagtubig din. Next is, same thing, ate, normal lang po ba na nagtutubig yung nunal kapag nilagyan? Hindi naman siya nagtutubig. Sa akin, parang nag-slimy siya. So, wipe it with cotton buds. Yung top layer ng skin, nadala siya sa cotton buds. And hindi naman siya nagtutubig. So, I don't know why nagtubig yung sa'yo. Continuous po ba araw-araw paggamit yun ng Kasoy cream? No. Sa loob lang ng isang araw, after mo pina-follow yung step-by-step na 20 minutes first, and then 15 minutes, and then supposed to be, there's another 10 minutes, and I didn't follow that because mahapdi na siya sa second time around. Apply ko, mahapdi na siya, so I had to stop. And it works. Natanggal yung sa akin. Pinkish po, tas may nagpo-form po uli na another. Baka naman hindi mo talaga siya na lagyan lahat. Kasi yung sa akin, parang scar na lang siya. But, may another one na tumutubo kasi hindi ko malagyan ng maayos because the only one applying it. So, very hard talaga. Hindi ko makita ng mabuti. But anyway, natanggal yung malaki. Pero may maliit na tumubo ulit. So, I have to deal with that pag malaki na siya. So, right now, hindi naman siya masyadong visible. Pwede ba maligo or mabasa kinabukasan pagkatapos maglagay, ma'am? Sa akin, after ko nilagyan that day, ako nighttime, naghilamos lang ako, walang hapdi, but when I touch my mole, parang it's very hard siya. Kasi naglagay ako like 1 in the afternoon, tapos pagkagabi like 10 PM, naghilamos ako, naligo ako, normal lang. And after that, lagyan ko ng betadine. So, yes, that's what I did. Next is, ma'am, ask ko lang paano po if di nasunod yung minutes sa paglagay, like sumubra po sa oras yung babad, effect pa din po ba? I think it's better to wait for a long time para mamatay talaga yung mole. Ay babad mo ng mas matagal. Example, nababad mo ng 30 minutes, supposed to be 20 minutes lang. I think it's okay. But the second time, 10 minutes mo na lang, be. Parang ganun. Okay lang naman. Next is, pwede ba ulitin or hayaan na lang po? Di ko po nabasa yung instruction, na excite lang. Mag-antay ka na lang, be, until matanggal ba? Kasi everyday may changes naman siya. Pagpatay na, mapipil off mo talaga siya in the right time. Next, di ba siya nakaka-affect sa ID? So far, yung ID ko, may mole ako, but every time mag-use ako like bank, wala silang ask, be. So I think it's okay. Before ako naglagay ng mole remover, nag-search talaga ako sa mga comments, reviews, and stuff like that. So there's one girl na sabi niya na kapag abroad na siya, but there's no problem about it. Kasi before, malaki talaga yung nunal niya. So nag-fly siya out of the country, wala daw nag-ask. Hindi daw siya tinanong about bakit wala na siyang mole, ganun. So I think it's okay. I haven't traveled yet. Yung bank pa lang yung na-experience ko. It wasn't a problem for me. Nung natanggal ko, anong nilagay nyo para ma-heal yung sugat? After ko nilagyan, pagkabukas, may redness siya around my mole. So I had to put betadine just in case ma-infected ba ganun. So safeguard yung ginamit ko, be, para ambot lang eh. Safeguard yung ginamit ko na sabon, hindi yung harsh. After ko sinabunan ng safeguard, naglagay ako ng maliit na betadine. Or hindi naman kumakate, hindi ko nilagyan, hinayaan ko na lang. Wala. For me, gusto ko yung dry siya kasi the more na dry siya, the more na mas mabilis na mag-peel off yung mole. It's the same thing. Ma'am, sa passport po, di ba sa appearance, mayroon pong mole doon. Paano po pag nag-review po, tas wala na po yung mole? Wala po bang hahanapin doon? So, as I've said, may comment doon sa isang video na pinanood ko before ako naglagay ng mole remover, and sabi na walang problema, nag-fly siya out of the country and wala daw nag-ask kung bakit wala na siyang mole. So I think it's safe, but just to make sure, ask ka na lang, be, kung okay lang ba. Ganun. Stupid na ako matanggal akong mole. Nahadlo ko kay buhay kay siya, pero I want to try it. So yung sa akin dito, very alive talaga siya, be. But I didn't have a problem. So I'm so happy. And I have one mole over here and wala na siya, be. As in, wala na siyang scar and everything. So nice over here. Next is sa Shoppee shop. I think rechels shop. I think I'm just gonna put it over here. Yung screenshot sa shop niya, and it's very cheap. 114 pesos. So very worth it. Kaysa naman nagpapaderma ako ba. My God, it will cost a lot. So next is, natural lang po ba na mamaga pag nilagyan po ng kasoy cream? Nawawala din po ba yung swell niya? So sa akin, grabe ang pamumula dito sa aking face, around my mole. Grabe, namamaga talaga siya, be. Natakot ako doon, but it ends up, it's okay. So yeah, it's normal. Very normal. That's all the questions na I screenshot all of the basic questions. Para naman, kung may gusto na para naman pag if you're interested na tanggal ng mole nyo and you have questions in your mind, you have doubts, so I'm trying to explain everything what I experienced when I was putting mole remover in my face. And I am so glad na after 3 months already since I put mole remover in my face. So I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. I didn't put any powder on my face, just a little bit of blush on, just a tiny bit of blush on. So are you ready, Charnes? So this is what it looks like over here. It's not really that visible anymore, but my camera is super clear right now with, oh my God, my camera is super clear right now with ring light, so makita mo talaga siya ng masyado. But if you're outside in just natural lighting, hindi na siya masyadong visible. And this was my mole over here. My God, I'm more happier right now. Trust me. Kung wala kang pasensya, be, nakakairita talaga siya, be. Especially pag tanggal ng scar. So, I was really overthinking about it na, oh my God, what if hindi matanggal yung scar? But actually, as the time goes by, nag-fade na siya. So, it's not that visible anymore. So yes, I hope I answer all your questions and I did this video para naman masagot ko na lang lahat. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Bye!